So I'm slicing around 2.5-inch squares. You can slice them a little bit larger, you can slice them a little bit smaller. I think this is the right size for a really nice tortellini. Then I squeeze out about 3/4-inch balls of filling. Again, you can fill a little more or a little bit less, but I like this amount of filling. Then I just fold them over, squeeze out all of the air, and seal the ends really nicely. And then I just punch a little dimple right in the middle there, and that allows me to squeeze the other ends right up against each other. And that makes a really nicely sized tortellini. And they're nice and little. You can use the same method for the lamb tortellini in the book.